Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you don't know how to view your Facebook activity log on iPhone or Android, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to view Facebook activity log on your iPhone or on your Android. The process will be similar. So to view that, just open your Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. Then just tap on this profile icon here. Now tap on this three dot here. Now you can see there is a option activity log. Just tap on this. You can filter all of these things like your reaction, your comment, your search history, your video watching. And if you want to see all of this activity as a history in one section, then just tap on this activity history. And from here you can see all of your history which you did in your Facebook account. So basically this is how you can easily see all of your activity log on Facebook from your Android or maybe iPhone. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.